Just in, there's a lots of canceled flights here right now in Dammam Airport, guys, here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So, as we know that most of the GCC countries already canceled their flights already, like UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, Oman, Kuwait. So, only Dammam Airport is open. But if you will see that monitor, all red means cancel. So flights, international flights. So we are here in the international boarding area or check-in counter area, and this is the situation. Busy right now. A lots of passengers are waiting for their flights, but there are some like local flights or domestic flights are all still operational. Only some airlines already canceled their flights, so I feel bad for some of the passengers, but what we can do, we can't do anything. So this is the situation here. A lot. So departure, you will see it. India Express, Air India Express cancelled. Azerbaijan Airlines cancelled. What else? Indigo Airlines cancelled. Turkish Airlines cancelled. Qatar Airlines cancelled as well. Air Seal, the Pride from Pakistan, cancelled as well. Air India, Indigo, Lufthansa, Gulf Air, all cancelled as well. Hello. Ayan, may mga kababayan tayo dito. Hello po.
Baka mag-cancel to, hindi kasi...
Qatar Airways? Yeah, I'm recording actually. It's also cancelled.
Naman na-cancel.
Andito, ano bang ano nyo?
Eto po.
QR 1157, 5 p.m?
Kaso opo, 5 p.m.
5 a.m?
Still not updated.
Still not updated. It will be updated later, mga 3 hours before or 4 hours before. But what I saw from there, all Qatar are cancelled. Just try later if you guys can, because we saw a lots of Filipinos also. They will go to India and India to Philippines. Until 4 only, so 5 will be updated later.
So kuya, pag ganito,
I-check nyo na lang po, just in case na ma-cancel coordinate agad kayo sa ano nyo, sa kinunan nyo ng ticket sa travel agency, travel ano nyo, operator. Just in case, kasi madaming na-cancel